All right, what's going on, everybody? Well, today we're going to do, hopefully what's a quick little video, and that is to do some lawn equipment maintenance. I've been able to mow the lawn, as you guys saw. I've scalped the front, scalped the back, and all that, but the one thing that I have not done is any of the trimming, edging, weed eating, or anything like that, mostly because of the fact that I haven't had a chance to do any of the maintenance on my weed eater. So I'm going to do that today. Let me show you what it looks like since I've been neglecting that part over here on the side. So when you look at it, it is a bit of a disaster. The fescue looks amazing, but you can tell it needs to be cleaned up, like right there and along the wall, and then it'll look a lot better. So let's get to that so that we can get this looking a little more schmazzy. These are the two machines that I'm gonna work on. This I bought last year, if you guys remember. It's a Rotary Scissors. Normally we just put in some grease right in these two ports, which I will do, but I also want to mess around with opening this thing up and taking a look inside and making sure that it's clean. My actual weed eater, this PAS-225, do a little bit of cleanup. I'm going to change out the spark plug, and I know there's an air filter here somewhere that I'm going to have to take a look at, but I think I'm going to have to order that. So for now, I just need to clean this up just a little bit. So let's start with this. The air filter isn't too bad. It's a little gunky, but it's not terrible. Actually, that doesn't look bad at all. But I am going to take the spark plug and replace that. There we go. I'm just going to use this simple little thing here. I'm not sure. Yep, there you go. That works. There we go. Good grief. And it's kind of wedged in there. Shoot! That did not make it easy. But look at that. That is kind of dirty. It's not too bad though, actually. I thought it was going to be a lot worse. Let's get a new one. Alright, so the new replacement fits in with the NGK BPM 6Y. So this Champion should work just fine. Look at the sizes of them, and they look to be about the same. This one's a little bit different construction, but it should seat just perfectly. I've only had this for just over a year and have not had any issues with it. But obviously, I want to maintain my equipment as best as I can. Now, you don't want to over tighten this too badly, so I think that's about good. And then we want to put this back together. That should seat just fine. We get a lot of junk back here from all of the exhaust, so I am going to take all of this apart and give it a good clean. I also need to get me some paper towels and some gloves. And that's where you see all that gunk there. So I'm gonna try and clean this out without making too much of a mess. And that is really gunky. That piece is better. This one is still not awesome, but this is where the exhaust is. And I'm guessing it's spewing out a bunch of oil because, you know, that's basically the way these work, is that it's a two-stroke. So you've got the oil mixed in with the fuel. There's no real oil reservoir in here. I wonder if I should take this apart. That is messy. It's not too bad. this back together, and I think we are done. Good as new. All right, let's put that aside, and then let's mess with this guy here. And I think that I am going to, I may get some gloves, different gloves here. Okay, that's not too bad. Thought this was gonna be a lot dirtier, but it's really not. It's actually in good shape. Yeah, that's not in bad shape at all. I mean, obviously you get a lot of grass in here. So what I may do is grab my compressor. I did want to make sure that there wasn't like anything caked on, that there wasn't like a whole bunch of grass that was stuck in between these blades. Now these blades are super sharp, so you do want to, these little nitrile gloves are not going to do a whole lot to protect my hands, so I do want to be careful with that. But I do want to get as much of this junk off of here as I can. All right, let's put this back together. All right, last piece is getting these guys off. All right, so we filled up both of these with grease. So let's put this back together here real quick, and let's do a little bit of cleanup, and we'll go from there. All right, well, that's pretty much it. Just a little quick cleanup on the rotary scissors and my Echo trimmer. I'll get a new air filter for that pretty quickly. I just need to order one on Amazon. I think now all I'm gonna do is just do a quick mow and take care of the side. Thanks for joining today's video. I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like. And if I've earned your subscription, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to be notified of future videos, don't forget to hit that bell, and we will see you on the next one. Have a good week, everybody.